everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make my delicious cookie bars. They're similar to chocolate chip cookies, but there's just a little twist to them. So if you would love to see how I make my delicious cookie bars, and if you would love to learn how to make them, make sure you keep on watching, like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more and more baking videos. First step, just add your sugar along with your butter, and then once you're finished doing that, you can go ahead and put your mixer on low speed. Don't stop looking at me now. The next step is to add half of our flour mixture into our butter and sugar mixture, and once you're finished adding your flour, add 1 egg, and then you're gonna go back and add the rest of your flour. So you're just going back and forth with the egg and flour. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much, and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming. This next step, you need a half-sheet cookie pan. I actually didn't have one on hand, so I had to make extra cookie dough, sadly. But don't make my mistake. Make that one cookie dough and just make sure you have your half sheet on deck. Once your cookie bars are out of the oven, you just want to make sure that they cool completely, and then they will be ready to eat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.